For the latest on ex-tropical cyclone Zelia and the weekend weather, I'm joined in the studio by Sky News meteorologist Rob Sharpe. Rob, Zelia seems to have weakened pretty quickly. What are your greatest concerns with the system?
Yeah, the greatest concerns is how bad the impacts are into grey. So we'll find out as the sun comes up in Western Australia, and the major flood that's moved through Marble Bar through the night and for many of the surrounding regions as well. So for Port Hedland, thankfully, it was a near miss. If this system was just 40 or 50 kilometres further west, it would have been a direct hit and it would have been catastrophic damage in the town. But that system now has weakened significantly as it's head further inland. But the rain totals are pretty significant. Marble Bar, 198. Telfer, 156. And I've seen one little weather station picking up 260 millimetres. And that's all on top of the rain that was falling in the previous days in many of these regions as well. And so, therefore, Marble Bar is actually experiencing a significant major flood, and some of the surrounding regions have a lot of water in them as well, with major flooding at multiple weather sites at the moment. So it'll be interesting to see how that all pans out. But the winds at Port Hedland this morning, much calmer. It gusted to 120 kilometres an hour at Port Hedland as the system made landfall, rather than up into the 200s. The remnants of ex-tropical cyclone Zelia heading straight over the top of Newman, with a severe weather warning for heavy rain and damaging wind gusts. So still some concerns for this system, but I think the bulk of the damage has already been done. Tim?
Okay, now looking to the east, and it's stormy for some and very chilly for others.
Yeah, we've got a big change in the weather coming through at the moment. So yesterday, plenty of severe storms in Queensland and New South Wales. Parts of Sydney copped some significant stormy weather yesterday as well. But you can see on the radar through the night, the focus has shifted up into Queensland. And right now, there's in fact severe thunderstorms active around Mackay, with heavy downpours in the region. We're going to see further severe storms today in this red shaded region. So that's primarily north of Taree and up to Mackay. There's that risk of severe thunderstorms today, with heavy rain, damaging winds and large hail. Meanwhile, to the southeast of the country, we saw that big cold change sweep through over the last couple of days for Melbourne and through the southeast, and it's getting even colder today, with those showers now active in southern and mountain parts of Victoria and western and southern Tasmania. There'll be more wet weather through the day, as you can see behind me on screen, with showers and even snow a chance, down to 1,000 metres in Tassie and to 1,300 metres tonight in Alpine Victoria. So some light snow flurries expected. Temperatures of just 18 in Melbourne and 15 in Hobart, and the wind will make it feel even chillier. And for Sydney-siders, yes, it's another top of 28 today, but tomorrow morning back to 15 degrees, Tim. So the humidity getting sucked down to the air, which will be nice.
Yeah, absolutely. I think a few people might be lighting fires in Tassie and Victoria at home, you know, like getting nice and warm, getting cold. Good on you, Rob. Thank you.